Hi, good morning. My name is Jan studying third standard. My favorite cartoon character are Masha and the bear. Masha is a young girl. She is very playful. Masha is very active and naughty. The bear is a retired circus bear. Bear lives a quiet life in the forest. After Masha enters the forest, peaceful life is interrupted. But the bear loves Masha and takes care of her. I watch Masha in Nick Junior. I watch Masha and the Bear. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sabrina Munda, Giant Third Standard. Motu is a thing. Motu and Batulu. It is a show about two best friends. Motu and Batulu. I love watching Motu and Batulu. Motu is a thin man. Batulu is a fat man. Thank you. Hi, good morning. My name is K. Mohammed Ishan. I am studying third standard. My favorite cartoon character is Veer the Robot Boy. He is a kind and intelligent boy. He uses his robotic power to save people in Fursat Kans. His friends are Himli, Chulbul and Gintu. I wish I also could be a robot like Veer. I could save people with my powers. Thank you. Hi, good morning. My name is Shreya. I am studying third standard. I am a Barbie girl. My favorite toy is a Barbie doll. Among all other toys, my parents gifted me the Barbie doll on my birthday. She is very beautiful and has long and straight golden hair. Thank you. Morning, my name is Abdul Salam. I am studying third standard. I am a Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan is my favorite cartoon character because of his bravery, determination, kindness, and sense of humor. I love watching his exciting adventures and learning from his positive values and morals. Jackie Chan will always hold a special place in my heart as my favorite cartoon character. Thank you. Hi, good morning. My name is Amma Hassan. I study in third standard. My favorite cartoon. I love watching Motu Batlu. Motu is a fat man. Batlu is a thin man. Motu and Batlu very funny. I love each other. Thank you.